Nestled in the breathtaking hills of Wuxi, China, the Lingshan Giant Buddha towers at an astounding 88 meters, a testament to ancient craftsmanship. However, it isn't just the sheer size that captivates visitors. The sound of enchanting bells resonates through the air, believed to echo the wisdom of the Buddha. Travelers often witness the mesmerizing phenomenon known as the Buddha sound, a deep, melodious tone emitted at sunrise. Legend has it that locals crafted this immersive experience using acoustic stones, symbolizing the unity of nature and spirituality. At the base of the statue, prayer ceremonies unfold daily, inviting adventurers to immerse themselves in peace and reflection, truly feeling the serene aura of this extraordinary cultural landmark.